I just came in the wrong way, and now I have to change the lane. The fuck? I was gonna film myself doing this stupid thing. The one end roads are lacking one thing: the road signs. The road signs are just at the moment. I mean, doesn't give you any chance to just pick up. The road sign is right there, that deep corner. I'm gonna show you. Right there, right stupid there, and you can see it from far behind. Stupid fuckhead. It happens a lot. I mean, really. The road sign is right at the moment, and the traffic is fucking hell. It's chaotic like hell. It's not like in other countries you have, I mean, you relax on riding or driving and you think of your own direction or something. You're at the last moment and you have to decide. You just see the sign and you have to decide which way to go. Fuck, it's below like 5 degrees Celsius. It's freaking cold, and motovlogging is really hard. Even I have like a crazy, you know, leather jacket, but even with that I'm still freezing. Anyway, what's the point? That was that. Thanks for watching. Let me just close my visor.